How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up YouTube Studio, and then once you open up YouTube Studio, you should be finding the dashboard. So if you want to view your subscribers, here right now you can see I have 3 subscribers. So from the app in the bottom, you should be finding option called Analytics. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, here, when you head over to the overview section and swipe right, you should be finding subscribers option. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you should be finding a list of recent subscribers or something similar. So in order to view those recent public subscribers, you need to click on see all. And the thing is, in order to view their list, the subscription should be public. The person who is subscribing to your channel should have a public subscription option turned on. Then only you will be able to find their subscription name on the subscription list. Otherwise, you will only be finding the increment in your subscription number. So that's it for now. That is how you see your subscribers on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.